Hi guys, I'm Shikha Dwivedi and how are you? You all are very good, I hope, and I'm also very good. And now we have sum number 13, exercise 2.1, Adi Sharma. Sum number 13, okay, we have just come to sum number 13. And what is this sum number 13? If the squared difference, okay, if the squared difference of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, fx is equal to x square plus px plus 45 is equal to 144. 144. Find the value of p. हमारा सम क्या है? What is that question? हमारा सम है कि हमें एक पॉलिनोमियल गिवन है. We have been given a polynomial fx. ठीक है? x square plus px plus 45, right? And इसके जो zeros हैं, ठीक है, ये क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल है और इसके zeros के डिफरेंस का जो स्क्वायर है, they have said ना, if the squared difference of the zeros, हमारे इस गिवन पॉलिनोमियल के zeros के डिफरेंस का जो स्क्वायर है, that is equal to 144. That is equal to 144. And we have to find the value of p. हमें p की वैल्यू को फाइंड आउट करना है. You can see ना कि हमारे जो पॉलिनोमियल है उसमें हमें एक अननोन टर्म दिख रहा है, x square plus px plus 45. So we have to find the value of p. इस p की वैल्यू को हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. Okay? So हम ये assume कर लेते हैं. Let's assume like alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial. Okay? See. So this is our polynomial. Fx is equal to x square plus px plus 45. Right? And हम assume कर रहे हैं कि alpha beta are the zeros of this polynomial. ठीक है? So the value of alpha plus beta, this will be as per the formula minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square, right? So what is the coefficient of x? This is p, but we have to take with minus sign. So this will be minus p upon coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x square? That is 1. So minus p upon 1, that means minus p. So we calculated alpha plus beta. And now we are going to calculate alpha into beta. Okay? Formula is constant term upon coefficient of x square. Constant term. Formula is constant term upon coefficient of x square, right? What is the constant term? This is 45. 45 upon coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x square? That is 1. So 45 upon 1, that is 45. Okay? And now, what is the condition given in our sum? Condition हमें क्या given है? Alpha minus beta, मतलब zeros का जो difference है, square difference. So it means alpha minus beta whole square is equal to 144. Okay, this is equal to 144. अच्छा, अब we have been given alpha minus beta whole square, right? चलो, so इसको open कर लेते हैं हम. So alpha minus beta whole square, we can write alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta is equal to 144. Is that okay? We have opened the formula a minus b whole square, right? Okay. Acha. And now, up alpha square plus beta square. This alpha square plus beta square. Again, we can write it. This is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. And this minus 2 alpha beta हमारे पास पहले से ही है. Is equal to 144. कोई डाउट तो नहीं? हमने क्या किया कि अल्फा माइनस बीटा होल स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला ओपन किया, अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर माइनस 2 अल्फा बीटा, राइट? अभी जो अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर है, इसके लिए फिर से हमने फॉर्मूला लिखा अल्फा प्लस बीटा होल स्क्वायर माइनस 2 अल्फा बीटा, एंड दिस माइनस 2 अल्फा बीटा हमारे पास ऑलरेडी है. ओके, अब नाउ इट इज वेरी इजी क्योंकि हमारे पास वैल्यूज हैं अल्फा प्लस बीटा, अल्फा इनटू बीटा. सो नाउ वी कैन रिप्लेस द वैल्यूज. ओके, सी, सो अल्फा प्लस बीटा की वैल्यू क्या है? This is minus p. Okay, minus p. रखते हैं. So minus p whole square minus 2 into alpha beta. What is the value of alpha beta? That is 45. Minus 2 into alpha beta. What is the value of alpha beta? This is 45. Is equal to 144. Okay, is equal to 144. That means we have, see, minus p square. So that will be equal to p square minus, and 45 twos are 90. Okay, 45 twos are 90, and this again minus 2 into 45, that will be minus 90. Okay, is equal to 144. 144. So that means we have p square minus 180. P square minus 180 is equal to 144. That 180 I am transferring right side. So p square is equal to 144 plus 180. Okay. So that means p square is equal to, we got 4, yes, 324. P square is equal to 324. So that means p will be equal to, if we just take the under root. Okay, so p is equal to plus minus 18. Because under root 324, that is equal to 18. We have p square. So p will be plus minus 18. So this is how we have calculated, we have found out the value of p. Okay, कोई confusion हो तो आप मुझे पूछना कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख करके, आई विल सॉल्व योर प्रॉब्लम. और वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो आप इसे लाइक करना, फ्रेंड के साथ शेयर करना, एंड प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. बाय बाय.